And welcome to my channel Gardening with Delight. And in this video we are going to talk about the tips and tricks for growing hibiscus. So let's get started. So see guys, hibiscus plants are some of the most common plants which are found in the whole world. Now even if you are new at gardening, it's pretty easy to care for both the plants and the flowers that bloom from it. So here is all you need to know about the hibiscus plant and how to take care of the plant, so you have beautiful flowers for the years to come. So guys, let's start with now hibiscus plant information. First of all, now hibiscus is a plant that requires a lot of the sun and water. It requires a lot of sunlight and also water. So if you want to plant your hibiscus in an area that receives most of the sunlight regardless of the weather, you plant inside or outside. So you can plant either inside or you can plant it outside. Now the soil should be rich in the organic nutrients, organic matter, and it should also be well drained soil, right? So these are some of the main conditions which are for the hibiscus plant. Now let's talk about some tricks and tips to grow the hibiscus plant. So let's start. Now the first trick, which is add warm casting to the soil. So this is a very important trick, right? So warm castings are basically a great addition to the soil because they are a lot richer than the regular compost. So they are much farther better from the compost which we use in our day-to-day life, right? So you should add some of the warm casting to the soil. Now the second is you should frequent but light fertilizer schedule. There must be a kind of schedule for the putting of fertilizers in your hibiscus plant. Now see, hibiscus plants needs to be on a light fertilizer. Hibiscus plant always require a light fertilizer schedule for optimum growth and development. Now it's better to use a balanced fertilizer for hibiscus, which means something like a 10-10-10, right? Slow release fertilizer should be used 4 times a year for the optimal results. Now we are going to tell you about the third most tip, that is prune the old hibiscus flowers. Now prune, so what is the meaning of prune? Prune means beheading, right? We should just deadhead those all the hibiscus which are which are the old one, right? So pruning the old hibiscus flowers is a great idea. That is called the getting rid of the dead head. It's important to remove the old flowers before seeds form so that the plant can continue to bloom. Now not only is it deadheading important to bring new blooms, but it is also make the plants look more attractive, right? So this will also make your plant look more beautiful, more attractive, more blooming flowers, right? So this was a tip number 3. Now the tip number 4 is check frequently for the pest infestations. Now as with the most other plants, you need to check with hibiscus plant regularly to ensure that no pest infestations have occurred. So this is very important to check the pest infestations. Now the second or the foremost step. Now let's talk about how to take care of the indoor hibiscus plant. So see, now hibiscus plants are able to thrive in indoor environments just as well as outdoor environments. So if you choose the right plant and take care of it properly, that will make it a fantastic, that will work very nice, right? And you should always take care that whenever you are buying the hibiscus from anywhere, any nursery, anywhere, you should first of all take care of its breed, which type of breed it comes from. It is just evolving from, right? So see, pick hibiscus plant that can grow in indoor conditions. Whenever you are taking the hibiscus plant for your indoor activities or indoor decorations, you should always take care that the hibiscus plant can grow in the indoor conditions. That is the first point, or the foremost point. The second is to place the hibiscus where there's plenty of sunlight. You should place your hibiscus inside your house, indoor, where the sunlight is in a plenty of number, right? The third point is use a humidity tray to tackle dry air conditions. You should use a humidity tray. Now, tray is easily available in your nurseries. Now, so guys, this was the tips and tricks for growing the hibiscus outdoor as well as hibiscus growing indoor. If you like my video, do like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. If you like my video, do hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share it with all others as well.